Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P40, and today I'll show you how to enable the developer options. So to get started, let's open up settings and scroll all the way down to about phone. And we're looking for a build number, so it's right up here. Tap on that 7 times. And once you do, I have a pattern, so it prompts me to put it in to confirm. But if you don't have any kind of pattern set, you'll only see this message, so you are now a developer. And from here, we want to go back. And then let's go into the, I believe it's going to be under system, but I'm not exactly sure. Looks like not. I'm going to just search for developer options. That's probably going to be easier. So we have developer options, so system and update. And okay, so we're already inside of the developer options. So from here you have access to all the options, and you can enable, disable what you want. Now before you start actually flipping things on and off at your will, I would strongly suggest to be aware what you're turning on or off. Some of those things might actually change how the device works or disable some key components of it, so keep that in mind. And yeah, so that is basically how you would enable it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.